Hey guys, good evening. Hope everyone's doing well. I am here to do a little bit of a video on my Michael Kors shoulder bag. Michael Kors has definitely became a really popular brand over the last couple years, even longer than that. I do love his bags, his coats, his watches. I like that they have stuff for men and women. They're really great and they're long lasting. So this is a gift that somebody got me for Christmas 2 years ago. It is, I guess, I don't know the dimensions on it exactly, but I call it a shoulder bag, and it's not that big. It's bigger than a clutch. I'll open it up and show you guys the inside, but it's not like you can't fit a whole lot in here. This I recently brought out of the closet when I was going to brunch in the city this past weekend for my girlfriend's birthday, and it was like a little bit of a dressy place, so I had a skirt on and boots, and I wore this purse with it. It's like a dark red maroon, but it goes great with all different colors and outfits. It's casual, but also nice to be dressed up as well. I've actually worn it to a wedding as well. So it says Michael Kors in the gold letters, and I believe it is a leather bag, which I don't like wearing any animal products, but this was given to me as a gift from somebody. Like I said, I did not pick it out on my own, but I love the bag. Just don't like what it's made out of because it's animal, unfortunately. But it wipes clean very easily. I do have special wipes that I use for this, but I think any kind of wipe would be fine in case it gets a little bit dirty, and it is water resistant as well. I like the strap a lot. It is adjustable, and you can adjust it right here. I like to leave mine pretty long, so it kind of hangs on my waist. And then I like the gold chain on here. I think the gold with the dark red or maroon coloring looks really, really nice. I think it makes it look a little bit more fancy. It's the back of it. It's just plain. This isn't a pocket. Oh, it is a pocket. Just kidding. I didn't even know that. Could you imagine? How long have I had this bag? Oh, maybe I did know that because I have some kind of ticket in here. I don't even know what this is. It's funny. Okay, so there's a pocket in the back, so that's a plus. So you could fit maybe some cash in there or something if you're going out. And then it has the MK label, which is in like a beigeish grayish color, off-white, with brown lettering that say MK with the circle and the dots. It has a very easy to close button snap, and then of course that opens real easy. I like the snap because it makes me feel like my stuff is inside a little bit more securely. And then I'm going to just open the inside to show you guys. So like I said, you can't fit a whole lot in there. You can fit your iPhone or Galaxy. I have a Galaxy in one of the pockets. I had a lipstick in the other pocket, and then I like that it has this inside. It's like a little credit card holder. So I kept my Metro card, my credit card, and my license in here when I went to brunch in the city. I didn't want to bring a whole big purse with me. It's just a pain to have to do that. And then it has Michael Kors inscripted on the inside, so I think it has a good amount of room for like a day out or, you know, a fancier place that you're going to. I wore this also to my husband's Christmas party last year. I think the color, the dark red color, is really nice for the holidays. And then it has like this little zipper in here, so if you feel a little bit more comfortable putting your cash in the zipper pocket, it's really nice for that, or if you have to carry a feminine product or something. So close that back up. Of course, this color goes well with a black outfit too, white, gray, any kind of off colors, and then anything with like a dark red in it. I wore this to brunch with dark red boots and a black skirt and dark red top this past weekend, and it matched really well. It's just easy. Can you take the... I was trying to see if you can. I never wanted to. No, it's like chained here, so I don't even think you could take this off and use it as a clutch. I don't like using a clutch because then it's like you gotta carry it. I just find it easier to just be able to put a bag on my shoulder and carry it around. I think that just makes life easier. So it's gorgeous though. I am really happy that someone thought of me and got me this beautiful bag. think it was a Christmas gift a couple years ago. So it's really nice. And like I said, these are adjustable, so you can make them shorter or longer. It's up to you. I have mine on the longest you can make it for the time being. So I hope you guys like my video on my Michael Kors shoulder bag in like a darkish red maroon color with the gold. It's really pretty. Can be dressed up but casual as well. Wipes clean, easy to use, and just very nice to have in your closet to add to your bag collection. If you're going out somewhere nice and you don't want to bring a big bag with you, this is definitely a great option. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you for watching. Have a great night.